Unbelievable, Parrot caught online shopping. This parrot recently stunned its owners by appearing to make an online purchase. It repeatedly tapped a tablet screen. On screen, Parrot's digital purchase. Observers noted the parrot focused on a specific bird toy listing. It used its beak to select the item on the screen. On screen, favorite bird toy. The item, a particular type of foraging toy, had been ordered multiple times. The family realized their pet had placed several identical requests. On screen, repeated foraging toy. Such behavior raises questions about the parrot's understanding of the action. Was this mimicry or a clear expression of desire? On screen, animal intent or mimicry.